Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, on the silver chart we've seen yesterday potential first signs of a low to be in place. We talked about the nano level and I showed you a nano 5-wave move up here from the low that formed on Tuesday when the price hit the golden ratio level at $27.80. Yes, we've seen as a response a little bit further upside today. That is normally what is expected when we see a first 5-wave move up. But to be fair, I did mention it was a very, very small one. It was more for entertainment purposes. I don't think it really has any predictive value on a 15-minute chart. But still, we could identify an ABC structure to the downside into the support region, which is highlighted there in orange on the chart in what I'm labeling an ABC structure in a wave 2 correction. And then from here, obviously, the idea is that we could now start to move to the upside, but it's only a 3-wave move up at the moment, okay? So we need the next series of 5 waves to get a good understanding that we have bottomed. Until we get that, I'd say we have to be a bit patient because the microstructure doesn't give us enough evidence really that a low is in place. We can only track a possible 5-wave structure so that we know what we need to see to confirm a low in place. Where do we come from? So we obviously from this 5th of August low when actually it was actually the 7th of August where many assets bottomed, many charts bottomed there around this time. We had a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave pullback. Reaction to the golden ratio level is textbook, that's perfect. It's just not substantial enough yet to say really that this correction is over. It can easily extend further. And it is still, in my view, a bullish chart. Nothing has changed. So that's why I'm still going to watch for more upside in the coming weeks. But I'm just waiting for clear signals that we've bottomed. So let's go to maybe the 15-minute chart to get an understanding of what happened here. So anyway, I shared with you yesterday a possible micro count on this move up. That was okay. That pretty much was a possible 5-wave move, and I highlighted to you the next pullback needs to confirm that. I think we could count the 5 waves up complete yesterday, and then shortly afterwards the dip started. I think by the time I had uploaded the video, the dip had already started. So just to label that again, this could be a 1, this could be a 2, this pullback early UTC time, 9 o'clock this morning. And then it's possible that this is a 3rd, this is a 4th, but we still need one more high. Now let's do the measurement, the fib measurement. I think this 3rd might be a little bit short. Nah, it's okay, it's okay. Don't like the look of it though. So I would not rule out that we actually are still in the 3rd wave. So this could turn into a diagonal pattern maybe even. But at the moment you could even call it an impulse. There is no real overlap between waves 4 and 1. No, there isn't. So that's okay. This could still be an impulse. And then but we still need one more high. Still need one more high. Whether the 3rd is still unfolding, which I think is possible as well. I'd even like that a little bit more to get a clearer 5-wave move. And maybe this is even turning into a diagonal pattern. So what could be the case, just to show you that that's what happens very often, that this is just the A wave of wave 3. We get a B wave pullback and another high in wave C. The problem is the microstructure of what is circle 1 is quite ambiguous. You can call that a 5-wave move, but it's not a very clear one. So I would not be surprised if this indeed also is an ABC structure. Then the wave 3 is 1 and the wave 5. So this is just something to be aware of. Either way, I need one more. I need at least one more high, better 2. If we don't and we break below micro support now, which would be micro support for a wave B, which I'm going to put here on the chart, that's $27.90. So if we see a break below that level, I'd say it's going for one more low. And that would mean testing the larger degree 78.6 fib level at $27.18. So that means if we get these 5 waves up, that would be the first confirmation that indeed the larger wave 2 bottomed there when the price hit the golden ratio level at $27.79. And then we can add the next support zone to the chart for a wave 2 pullback. Because these 5 waves, again, we would call them wave 1, and then the pullback could be wave 2, would ideally form a higher low, and that could set the stage for a third wave rally to the upside. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out the stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.